guys, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we are making banana pudding, so let's get started. Alright, so today we're making banana pudding. I'm doubling this recipe, so it's going to be more ingredients than normal. I've got some ice cold water. And I'm going to dump my vanilla instant pudding mix. And my sweetened condensed milk. Into the bowl. That stuff takes a bit to come out. Now I'm going to whisk this all together really good till it's totally smooth. You probably want to whisk it for about, or mix it, but I'm using a whisk, for about 2 minutes. Then I'm going to put it in I'm going to cover it and put it in the fridge for about 4 to 5 hours and let it set up really well. Alright, so I've got my heavy whipping cream in here, and I am fixing to beat it until it turns into some stiff peaks. So, I'm going to let this go for a little bit. So our pudding mixture is nice and thick and set up. That's how it's supposed to be. I just finished with the heavy whipping cream. See how stiff that is? So, I'm going to break this up a little bit. Then I'm going to put my heavy whipping cream in here. Then you want to make sure this is all mixed until you don't see any more streaks of pudding in it. So make sure you get it folded in really good. My pudding where I want it. So let's start building a banana pudding. Hope y'all have enjoyed this video. I hope you make this recipe. It is so good. It's an awesome cold dessert for the hot summer days. Anyway, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share. I hope you guys have a great weekend.